up? We're back in the video, guys. Before the train comes, it's QD26 with 44 cars. It's coming right now. Before he comes here, I want to give a shout out to Uncle Tim and Uncle Matt for this, give me so much support on my videos and all that other stuff. But anyway, here he comes right now. Here comes QD26 with 44 cars once again. Here he comes. And it's about 28 degrees, and my tablet I'm phone off of is 37%. Anyway, here he comes right now. He's moving, guys. Gets up there. This will be in video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and also bye Uncle Tim and bye Uncle Matt. Bye.